Assalamualaikum. Hi to everyone. Welcome to Sara's kitchen. Today we are gonna make our traditional East Indian sweet cookie kind of thing. It's a traditional cookie that's called Besan Nankhatai. It's Besan Nankhatai. And what we're gonna need for that is right here. But before starting, if you haven't subscribed my channel, please subscribe my channel. Subscription is totally free. Share my videos with your friends and family. So let's start. So what we're gonna need is, the ingredients are, we're gonna need besan. Besan is actually chickpea powder. So we're gonna need 1 cup of chickpea powder, 1 cup of all-purpose flour. Then we're gonna need 3/4 cup of ghee. You can use purified butter as well. And we're gonna need 1 cup of powdered sugar. And we're gonna need some almonds. I just crushed them. And then 1 teaspoon of baking powder. Let's see how we're gonna make it now. So now I took this container. This is a little bit wider container to mix everything in it. So now I'm gonna mix all the dried things together first, and then I'm gonna mix it with well with my ghee. So your dough should look like this. I actually needed 2 more spoons of ghee in it, purified butter, so I used it. So if you need it, you can use a little bit more ghee in it. So look, you need to just do it. The dough should be like this. So now we're going to make cookies out of it. Make sure there's no crack. So you just make it a little bit round. And then this is my oven tray. I just greased it with oil, and then I put these papers on it. You can use butter paper as well too. So just tap it down a little bit, and this is it. So now I'm gonna make all of them and then show you how we're gonna need some egg yolk too, to just like put it on top a little bit, so when it's baked after that, it looks nice. So I just made all the cookies like this. So you're gonna need an egg yolk right here. So with my fingertip, I'm gonna just glaze on the top, just like that. After baking, then when it gets baked, it looks beautiful. I have a small grill, so I heated it up to 250 Celsius, and then I'm gonna give heat from upside and downside both, and then I preheated it for like 10 to 15 minutes, and I'm gonna put that in here. So the cookies seem ready. So we're gonna take it out. See See, the color is it's coming really beautiful color. So we're gonna take it out now. So now cookies Nan Khatai is ready. Try it, let me know how did you like it. So again, don't forget to subscribe my channel, and subscription is totally free. Share my videos with your friends and family. So we'll see you soon with a new recipe. Have yourself a good day. Bye. Allah Hafiz.